Do you want to know how you can use the tools in Starry AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use the tools in Starry AI. Go ahead and open Starry AI on your Chrome OS browser and then log into your account. Now you can see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen there are tools. Some of the tools are Upscale, Train Style, Enhance and Magic Create. Go ahead and click on the tool which you want to use and you can see that it will take 1 credit and you can upload image to upscale and your photo will be upscaled. Now another tool is Train Style. So the guidelines and tips says more photos are often better, crop images in 1 by 1, avoid inappropriate images and follow our content policy. You can go ahead and click on this link and read the content policy as well. So you can go ahead and upload 5 to 60 images of your desired style, click upload and Starry AI will newly reach the training style and then it will learn new styles. There are options of enhance and magic create as well. Click on enhance, click on upload image and your image will be enhanced. Now the last function or the last tool is magic create. This option is used to create a video or visuals, so you can see that it says generate stunning visuals in real time. So it costs 1 credit for 25 renders. So click start creating and you can see there's a box down here. You can write down what you want to see or what kind of visual you want and then you can click on inspire me as well and then you can click save image. You can see that there's a video of this. You can see there's add canvas as well, so you can add canvas and start editing as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion about the tools in Starry AI, if you have any kind of confusion about Starry AI in general as well, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.